afternoon. I'm here with Captain Min with his beautiful new North River Seahawk that he just got, 2 weeks ago. Went on a maiden voyage last, 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago.
Got some fish. I wasn't able to go, but I got a chance to go now with our buddy Chris, his son Connor, who is hopefully getting on some fish, but we're gonna have some fun. The weather's perfect. It's Makah Day this weekend. We have our friend Tiger, who's already on the water. We got our friend Chris, who's gonna be coming later. So should be a fun day, but beautiful weekend. So hopefully we'll get some action for you. There's our friend Captain Tiger with his 1 million rods on his boat. Look how many rods he has. Might have special guests on the boat that we don't know about. Good morning. Saturday, day 2. We launched the boat yesterday, got on some fish, didn't get a limit. We were out there for a few hours. Kind of actually did some searching. Min is super excited about his new boat, obviously. Super nice boat. And yeah, we kind of ventured around a little bit. Glad his a boy was able to catch some fish. Actually caught probably more than all of us. So anyway, we're gonna be meeting up with some friends of ours, maybe go down to the reef, Umatilla Reef, kind of do some more searching, some different areas, and see if we can come up with a big bag of fish. You know, hopefully we can get all the species that are open and have some fun. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Get him, Connor. Get him, Connor. Whoa! It flew off.
Okay, keep on trying to do it again.
That's all right.
What happened?
It's Chris's first ling. He actually brought it all the way up. Thought it was a big rockfish. So again, newbie. It's okay, but I'm happy that he caught his first ling. That's a nice ling too. Captain Min for the win. Oh, no, it's still there, dude. It's just running towards you. What is that? Oh, that's a...
Connor, look at this fish.
Oh my God, look at the size of that one. That's a vermilion, dude. That's the vermilion right there. That's the vermilion right there, dude. That's a monster. Woo!
I can't keep it.
Yeah, you can.
You could?
Yeah, you over here. Yeah, it's feeling line. Oh yeah. On the Lancer prototype squid thingamajig. First drop. A new spot picked out by Captain Min for the win. You guys snagged it? Yeah, please. That's okay. I'll grab my own fish. Look at that. That's what this lure's about. That's a type of fishing. Oh, look at Min over there. He's got a fish too now. Boom. Take it. Woo, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. I'm on a head shake. Next drop. Second drop after I caught that other ling. Oh my, there's another ling. Ling a ling 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 ling. That's how we do it. 2 drops in a row. Thank you, Captain Min, for the win. Another double action right over here. Yeah, little one. This looks like he's got a bigger one. Can't really tell. Oh, that's a good one right there. Nice. Don't lift it, you're gonna break a rod if you lift it. Got a double action going on here. Almost a triple. I felt something on my rod. There's some chunks over here. Good fish over here. Just lift it. Just lift it. How big is the fish? Right here. Big bass. Oh, another pig. There you go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. What is it? Nice bass. Look at the size of that one. Woo! That's what we need right there. Good job, Connor. He's like, whatever. Give me back my phone. I'm good. What is this? Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys want some of this? A sea cucumber?
Connor, look.
You can actually eat this.
Can you?
Yeah. It's full of water, and then the meat, you can actually cook this.
Eat it.
I've had it before, one time, long time ago. Well, I thought I had a fish. This is Chris's first time to Neah Bay. No, second time. Second time. It's been a long time. Min's got a keeper. I don't know if that counts.
Where'd you go there? Oh, yeah.
Let's go, Chris. Make it a legal fish.
There it is.
Oh, it popped up.
Connor, move your...
Move back. Lift up. There you go. Father and son double again here. Uh-oh. We got the Chinese fire drill. More like Vietnamese fire drill. Sure still on there? Oh, he's still on there. Small one? Oh, baby. A baby. Cute. That one can go back. Connor's got another one here. Look at him. Battling it out. Look at that. Back arching. Look at that. Ah! Go, Connor. Look at that. What is it, dude? Keep reeling. Huh? It's a cabbie? Just lift it up. Oh, that's a...
Why is it blue?
Take a picture of that. Wow. Father and son double. Look at that. Look at that. It's got a small ling. Oh, I had a bite. Triple. Triple. Here, reel this one. Reel this one. Reel this one. Reel this one.
Here, drop the thing.
Oh, wait, that's a bass there. Chris got one here. Lift it up. There you go. Oh, just lift it up. Just lift it up. There you go. All right. Nice sling. We're heading back. Get the kid on some fish. Too rough over there. Wanna try it here? You guys get him yet? We got a couple good lings. Decent. Yeah, we got some rockfish, but it's got a little dicey. Huh? Salmon? No, we haven't tried yet. There you go. Mask. Triple, can we get a triple? Come on, Connor, get a triple. Oh, little baby. Little baby, little baby. Let's see what Chris got over here on this side. Oh, he almost got one over there. This one's a little bit better, huh?
It's not finding it.
Oh, you're just reeling it up. Triple! Keep it up! Oh, give it up, give it up, give it up! Oh, give it up! There, go to the side of the boat. Look at Connor go. Oh, little baby, but good job, dude. Lift it up, back up.
I got the same one too.
So it was another successful trip here to end the year during Makah Days. Awesome, saw fireworks on Friday. Actually walked down, and really the first time for me to walk down the whole festival and see all the vendors and all that stuff. It's a pretty cool deal, but yeah, I got a chance to fish out of Captain Min's new fancy boat right there. Put on some fish. We caught all kinds of stuff. Yesterday we actually ended up catching 3 salmon that were legal to keep. Didn't have any downrigger set up yet, but you'll have that next year. But we caught them on darts and rotator and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, got our limited bottom fish today. His son, 9 years old, crushed it. I think he had like 9 fish in a row or something like that, or 10. Anyway, awesome weekend, great weather. Yeah, can't wait to come down here again and do it all over. So, peace out.